What if I told you that the most powerful telescope ever built is not just taking beautiful images of space, it is changing what we know about the origin of the universe, the birth of galaxies, and even the possibility of life beyond Earth? For decades, humanity has looked into the sky and asked the same questions. Where did we come from? How did the universe begin? Are we alone? The James Webb Space Telescope was built to answer those questions, and in just a short time, it has already delivered discoveries that scientists never expected to see so soon. From ancient galaxies that shouldn't exist, to planets being born in real time, to alien atmospheres light years away. James Webb is not just observing space, it is rewriting cosmic history. Today, we're going to explore the most important breakthroughs of the James Webb Space Telescope and why they may change our understanding of the universe forever. The James Webb Space Telescope is not a replacement for Hubble. It is something entirely new. Hubble was designed to see the universe in visible light, similar to what human eyes can see. James Webb sees mostly in infrared light. Why does that matter? Because infrared light allows Webb to see through thick clouds of dust, observe cooler objects, and detect light that has traveled across the universe for billions of years. James Webb's mirror is massive, over 6 times larger than Hubble's, and instead of orbiting Earth, it sits nearly 1 million miles away at a stable point in space where it can remain extremely cold. This cold environment is critical because heat creates noise, and Webb needs absolute precision to detect the faintest signals in the cosmos. In simple terms, James Webb is not just more powerful, it is designed to see things we have never been able to see before. One of James Webb's most shocking breakthroughs came almost immediately after it turned on. It began detecting galaxies from the very early universe. These galaxies formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Before Webb, scientists believed early galaxies were small, dim, and slowly evolving. But Webb showed something completely unexpected. Many early galaxies were massive, bright, and already highly organized. This discovery forced astronomers to question long-standing theories about how quickly galaxies form. The early universe was not calm or simple. It was energetic, crowded, and evolving at incredible speed. James Webb showed us that the universe grew up fast, much faster than we ever imagined. Another major breakthrough came from Webb's ability to see through dense clouds of gas and dust. These clouds hide the birthplaces of planets. Using infrared vision, Webb revealed detailed images of protoplanetary disks, giant swirling rings of material surrounding young stars. Inside these disks, planets are forming. For the first time, scientists can study how planets gather material, how they carve paths in the disk, and how solar systems take shape. This helps us understand how Earth may have formed billions of years ago. Planet formation is no longer just a theory, it is something we can observe. Perhaps the most exciting capability of the James Webb Space Telescope is its ability to study the atmospheres of distant planets. When a planet passes in front of its star, some starlight travels through the planet's atmosphere. James Webb analyzes this light to identify chemical fingerprints. Using this method, Webb has already detected water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and other molecules on planets light years away. These chemicals do not prove life exists, but they show us that planets with complex atmospheres are far more common than we once believed. For the first time in history, we are no longer guessing about alien worlds, we are studying them directly. James Webb has brought us closer than ever to answering the question that has haunted humanity for centuries. Are we alone? James Webb has also captured extraordinary images of dying stars. When stars reach the end of their lives, they shed material into space or explode in powerful events. These events create clouds of gas and dust that eventually form new stars and planets. Webb's infrared vision reveals these regions in stunning detail. We are witnessing the life cycle of the universe itself. Destruction becomes creation. Endings become beginnings. The universe is constantly rebuilding itself, and James Webb lets us watch it happen. James Webb is not just collecting images, it is changing science in real time. Some theories are being revised, others are being challenged, new questions are emerging. This is what great scientific tools do. They don't just answer questions, they reveal how much we still don't know. James Webb has reminded us that the universe is bigger, older, and more complex than we ever imagined. The James Webb Space Telescope is more than a machine. It is a bridge across time, a window into our origins, a reminder of our place in an unimaginably vast universe. Every image it sends back pushes humanity a little further into the unknown, and this is only the beginning, because the universe has been waiting for billions of years for us to finally look back.